Dr. Patria Manalaysay, clinical instructors, guests, parents, and fellow graduates, a pleasant morning. With great pleasure, I welcome you all to this momentous celebration of success and Thanksgiving. I stand here before you, reminiscing the last 4 years that we've been through together. It wasn't easy. It never was. From being the first batch under the new curriculum to transitioning to an online platform brought by the pandemic. And I believe each of you knows better than most that being a student nurse brings countless challenges every day. There were moments of both wins and defeats. There were even moments of feeling like giving up. But of course, we didn't give in to that. We fought for our dreams, and that's why we are all here. Today, we celebrate and share our success with the people who significantly journeyed with us. To our family and loved ones, most especially to our parents, we are beyond grateful for your endless support, encouragement, and all the sacrifices that you have made. We are also very much grateful to our friends, especially from our class, to whom we seek comfort at times of despair and who cheer us in every triumph. And of course, our clinical instructors, together with our dean, thank you for your guidance and support and all the learnings you have imparted that have prepared us for whatever may come. We are much privileged to have such wonderful educational experience because of you. On behalf of my classmates, the Bachelor of Science in Nursing 4A, it is my honor to thank all of you for joining us in celebrating this remarkable milestone in our lives. We were never alone in our journey because we knew that you were all with us. Hence, this victory is not only ours, but also yours. To my classmates, my fellow graduates, I am much honored to have met all of you. I will forever treasure all of the experiences that we've shared. May we continue pursuing our dreams. Once again, good morning and congratulations to the Bachelor of Science in Nursing 4A Class of 2022 at Mayora de Gloria.
Thank you, Ms. Malano, for that very heartwarming message. At this juncture, we will now have the recognition of our graduates.